folks, and this is a problem where we could deal with some tidal flooding and some storm surge as we head into this weekend. We'll have a very persistent onshore flow, and you couple that with times of high tide. This will be pretty problematic as some of that water just makes its way onto land because of the persistent push from the wind associated with the tropical entity we're monitoring, which is right now located off the coast of the Carolinas. It doesn't have a name yet, but we're calling it potential tropical cyclone 16. I'd rather just say coastal area of low pressure for now. That's going to be moving northward, and it will be bringing impacts to Maryland as we head into the weekend. In fact, conditions will be deteriorating as soon as this evening and tonight as rain moves in from the southeast to the northwest. Again, as we make our way into the overnight hours, some periods of heavy downpours will be possible, but especially we'll deal with some of the heavier bouts of rain heading into Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. This is going to be coupled with the time frame when winds will be the strongest as well as we track this tropical system heading into this weekend. By Sunday, a little bit of improvement, but I'm still keeping some showers in the forecast even for the Ravens game. Don't want to rule those out, but it's overall looking like a better day compared to Saturday. Here's the latest. Winds at 50 miles per hour. It's going to take its track toward the north. As it brings rain to Maryland, we're looking at anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain possible, with locally upwards of 5 inches, especially for areas south and east of the Baltimore Metro. On top of that, the windy conditions and the wind field with this system is pretty vast. It will be impacting parts of central Maryland, but we could see gusts to 50 miles per hour, even all the way up toward places like Anne Arundel County as this system brings its impacts here at home. We have tropical storm alerts that have already been issued for parts of southern Maryland as well as the lower eastern shore. Again, the peak winds expected to be Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. I mentioned Anne Arundel County likely to see impacts as well. A wind advisory has been issued. It won't surprise me if more areas will be going under additional wind alerts too. With that persistent onshore flow, we will be dealing with, especially along the western shore of the bay and places like Ocean City, some storm surge inundation. We're looking at around 1 to 3 feet, and with those winds, waves, especially near the mouth of the bay, could be anywhere from 3 to 6 feet, believe that or not. All right. Afternoon and evening, tropical storm force winds heading into Saturday, so it's an impact weather day. Storm surge inundation 1 to 3 feet and periods of rain. Again, that could lead to some localized flooding and poor drainage areas. Right now we're at 61 at BWI Thurgood Marshall Airport. We've got 50s and even 70s on the eastern shore at 70 in Ocean City. We'll climb into the mid 70s later this afternoon. Today is the quiet day. Cloudy conditions expected by this afternoon. Conditions deteriorate tonight. Overnight lows fall into the upper 50s to right around 60 degrees. Saturday's the day where we're really going to be watching that tropical entity. Sunday looking slightly better, and then much better heading into Monday and Tuesday.